Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video in the channel. So today we have two sensors for Smarthings. We've been using several years now, and I've been, having some domotic and automation in my home. I'll be getting you to the different automation I've been doing so far. But we just got these two sensors. This is a multi-purpose sensor that you can use like to tell and automate actions once you get like a door open, a cabinet open, or a window open, and so on. And in here, this is a motion sensor that you can use to sense movement in a specific area or room and have that signal trigger to an action, automatic action in your house. So just for your reference, this is the motion sensor I have. Like, this is the previous version, 2nd gen, and this is the 3rd gen so far. And I have here also, this is multi-purpose sensor 2nd gen, and this is the 3rd gen. So slightly differences, but let's say this has been like improved a little bit. The main purpose is, let's say, the same. So I don't know, let's get first to the multi-purpose sensor. So multi-purpose sensor, I have this seal. So that's what's inside, installation code, and some references. You have here a short manual, multi-languages, welcoming you to the actual sensor itself, how it actually works, components, and so on. Some general instructions. Here you have the actual sensor itself. So you have this, which is, it has a magnet in here that actually let's say trigger the signal once they like get to the this actual setup layout. So you can put that in, let's say, one part of the door or door edge, or the actual window edge, and this to the actual door window. Once you get they closely to each other, this will, let's say, communicate to the hub that the sensor is closed itself. Once they get apart, so this trigger the signal that this is open. So far. So here you have some tape that you can use to attach the actual component to a surface. More information right here. This comes in there because it comes with a battery. So once you remove this, if you compare that to the previous version, they are like kind of about the same size. Shapes are different. However, let's say the volume itself is kind of the same in both devices. This is kind of larger. So by pulling this, the actual device, as you can see, there's an LED right here, LED light, now looking for connectivity. And that's the way you can set up, let's say, to your actual app and your hub to start automating. So nothing else in the box, like it is a large box, like for only this component so far, but it is what it is. Let's get back to the motion sensor. So motion sensor, on the other hand, you have same covering here. Information, so kind of same, let's say, instructions so far. Information about the device. Manual, like the previous device. And here you have the sensor itself. So as you can see right here, you get the actual, let's say, this is going to be your mounting base that you can attach to any surface, and the sensor itself with a magnet, let's say, get tied to this ball, where you can, let's say, adjust. This is main advantage of this versus the previous one. In this case, you can only like hang it right there, or put it to a mounting base. But in here, once you get, let's say, the base mount to whatever surface, you have a bunch of range, let's say, to orientate the actual device, so you can have a better reading and a better use of the actual device. And right here we have basically a magnet. Here you have the battery. This is a CR2 lithium battery, 3 volts, and you'll have to replace somehow. So in a separate video, I will talk about like how the batteries, how's managing, you know, batteries of my devices and so on, and which specific variety of batteries will be needed. So in here, kind of the same thing. Once you pull this thing, the battery will get to work and the device will get, let's say, activated. So far, this is a failure mode, as you can see. So the battery itself gets attracted to the magnet. I've been facing that with another one I purchased before this. But so far, this is a failure mode, let's say. So as you can see, the LED also here. This, let's say, is saying the sensor itself is looking for some connectivity to get actually programmed through the actual app. So far, in the box, nothing else. So these are, let's say, the two new sensors we just got today compared to the previous version of them. So let me know about any comments or questions if you have been using this or if you're interested in getting one of those. I can, let's say, give you some advices. So let me, in the comments below, let me, any questions you may have or if any topic that you want us to cover in the next videos. Thank you. You have a great day and see you on the next video. Bye.